Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the air filter in a 2018 Toyota Rav4. Now the air filter is located right behind the battery. The battery is right here and the engine is right there. So the air filter is located in this black box. So the first thing you need to do is to untab these two metal tabs on this air filter box. And then you lift and pull this thing up, the top part of the air box, and then you remove the old air filter. As you can notice that there's a rubber gasket seal on the top part of the filter, so you can know the orientation of the new filter later on when you're putting in the replacement filter. So all you have to do is pull this out. Try to do this with one hand holding the camera and then taking out the old air filter. So this is the original Toyota Denso air filter, and you can see on this side is where all the dirty stuff gets collected when you're driving around in the vehicle. So it's time to replace this. It's kind of hard to see, but probably inside the little pleats is probably a lot of dirt and dust from road driving. So okay, I'm gonna toss this aside and get the new air filter, pull it out. So you can notice that this looks the same as the old one, same size. And you can know the orientation of the rubber gasket is on the top part, so that's how you're going to put it back into the air box. So you're going to have to lift this up. It's a little tight, but you just have to slide it in. It's probably easier with two hands, but I'm trying to do it with one hand holding the camera. So you know when it sits in there snug and doesn't move around, then you know it's in the right place. So all you have to do is just make sure that the two tabs down here at the bottom of the air box is in the holes over here at the bottom, and then it should close securely. Once again, I'm trying to do this with one hand. So okay, the bottom two tabs are in, and all you have to do is push on the metal tabs up here, and then on the other one, and there you go. This is how you replace the air filter in a 2018 Toyota Rav4. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.